Kumbaya, my Lord, Kumbaya. Kumbaya, my Lord, Kumbaya. Well, hi, my name is Jeff Barlett, and today I'm going to teach you how to play Kumbaya, my Lord. So, for this song, you're only going to need 3 chords, and it's going to be a G major, you're going to need a C major, and a D major. So this song is traditionally played in the campfire strumming pattern, but I'm going to introduce tapping to the guitar to make it sound more interesting. It's still beginner level, so it's going to be down, tap, down, up, tap, down, tap, down, up, tap. So when you play, I want you to practice on the G chord and do this 2 times as an intro. It'll sound very good. So you'll go Kumbaya, my Lord, Kumbaya. Like that, okay? So down, tap, down, up, tap. So now I'm going to talk about the chord progression. So you're going to have a G chord, you're going to have a C chord, a D chord, and then back to a G chord with the same strumming pattern. So it should sound like this: G to a C to a D, back to a G. Now I'm going to sing it so you can kind of hear it better. Kumbaya, my Lord. C, Kumbaya. D, Kumbaya, my Lord. Back to a G. Kumbaya. And then you do it again. Kumbaya, my Lord. On the G to the C. Kumbaya. To a D. Kumbaya, my Lord. Back to a G. Kumbaya. Now this next part, I'll go a D to a G. When I go, oh Lord, Kumbaya. And what I do is I change my strumming pattern just a little bit. So I go down, tap, then to G, down, tap, oh Lord, Kumbaya. And that's going to be the entire song. Nothing's going to change. So please practice that, and after you practice it, learn to play other songs that I write, which are very simple. If you want to learn more songs, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and God bless.